Today we're making 2 comforting cups of chai. African chai and Indian chai. Same tea, same milk, but prepared in 2 very different ways. For African chai, we keep it simple. Fresh whole milk, black tea leaves, and sugar. We begin by caramelizing the sugar. Add the sugar straight into the pot, no water yet. Gently heat it and keep stirring. This step gives the chai a deep, smoky sweetness. Let the sugar melt until it turns into a liquid. Be careful not to burn, its slow heat is the secret. Once the sugar has caramelized, we add water. Be careful here since it bubbles quickly. Now we have a rich, flavorful base. Next, add the black tea leaves and let them simmer slowly. Real chai is never rushed. Now pour in the milk and let everything simmer together. The longer it simmers, the stronger and richer the flavor becomes. If you're enjoying this calm village-style cooking, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to African Village Flavors. It really helps the channel grow. Look at that deep color. That's the magic of caramelized sugar in African chai. Once it starts to bubble and boil, you know it's ready to be served. Now let's move on to Indian chai. For this chai, we use cardamom, fresh ginger, cinnamon, cloves, black tea leaves, sugar, and fresh milk. We start by adding water to the pot and letting it heat for a minute. While the water heats, we crush all the spices together. This step is very important. It releases the full aroma and flavor of Indian chai. Next, we simmer the crushed spices in the hot water before adding the tea and milk. This builds that strong, bold flavor. Now in go the black tea leaves, fresh milk, and sugar to taste. Let everything simmer together slowly until it comes to boiling. Once it starts to bubble and boil, the Indian chai is ready to be served. Both of these chais are comforting and warming. African chai is smooth, calming, and gentle. Perfect for slow mornings and quiet evenings. Indian chai is bold and energizing, warming the body and awakening the senses. 2 chais, 2 cultures, 1 shared love for tea. If you had to choose just one, would you go for African chai or Indian chai? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more village-style recipes.